Okay, so welcome everybody and thank you for being here with me on this video tutorial with the Motif Rack ES. If you hadn't subscribed, if you want to, if you like to, that's be good. That will help me a lot. If you want to hit the like button, or you want to share the video. But anyways, thank you for being here. And it is a video tutorial with the Motif Rack ES because we got a request from Clips JB Madeiros. Okay, let me see if we could see that right over here. Okay, there's the focus, very bad. I don't know, where is it? We lost it. Okay, there you go. Clips JB Madeiros, thank you for writing. And he is asking, does the sound module Motif Rack ES can make layers? And if you could layer two different sounds at the same time, can you still have independent volume? And I want to thank one more time Clips JB Madeiros for writing. I don't speak Portuguese, or I mean, I don't understand language, so I'll try to do my best, right, to explain it in a slow way, so then you could translate somehow. But anyway, thank you for writing, and here we go with the video. Okay. First thing first, your keyboard, your MIDI keyboard, which you're gonna use with the Motif Rack, it has to be on the same channel that you are connecting your Motif Rack sound module. For example, I got it here on MIDI channel number 1. I got this is the Alice's US8, and I got it on general MIDI multi-bank 1 user. Of course, you don't need this keyboard, but whatever keyboard you're using to transmit the MIDI, you should have it on the same MIDI channel. So that way it's communicating good, no problem. I'm using this software here because I got it connected through my computer. I want to show it to you for a second. Virtual MIDI piano keyboard. This is a free software, and it connects. I'm connecting this keyboard to a MIDI interface. Show you right here. The MIDI interface of Motu Microlight. I'm going in port 1, and I'm going out of port 1, and it's going into the sound module, the Motif Rack sound module. Okay, just in case that you need a good MIDI connector or transmitter software, this is really reliable. This is very good software, and it's free. VMPK, I believe it's called. VMPK, Virtual MIDI Piano Keyboard. Okay, moving on. If you need the owner's manual, I will leave the link in the description. Okay, performance mode. This is channel 20, and it talks about performance mode. Okay, and this is gonna send us to page number 30. Okay, and here it gives more in detail how to edit the performance mode. Okay, so to answer JB Madeiros, the answer is yes. You can layer up to 4 different sounds. 4 different sounds on your Motif Rack ES. And not only you could layer 4 different sounds, you can have different velocities, different volumes, and different range for your keyboard on the 4 layers. You can have different range for your keyboard, meaning that you could put from there you go. For a second I lost it. Okay, you could have one sound here of one layer, you have another sound here, and so on, right? Depending on what you're looking for. Most likely, I play in church, so I got from here to here. Most likely, I'm going to use a bass sound, and from C3 all the way up, I'm going to use a piano sound. Okay. I don't know if that's what you're looking for, but anyhow. First thing first, we are on voice mode. We got to move into performance mode, okay? So we're going to press Shift, and we're going to press multi. Okay, as you can see, it got us into performance mode. User 001, this is the sound. User 001. Now, the recommendation from the manual is make sure that the one you're going to edit, you don't really need it, because if you overwrite it, you're going to lose the data. You're not going to be able to recover it. Okay? I think, my opinion, I think that if something happens that you messed up a user bank, whichever you messed up, if you factory reset the Motif Rack ES, I think you're gonna recover those sounds again. That's my opinion. I don't really know because I haven't done it. So just to be on the safe side, be aware that better first save your data, and then mess around with parameters or whatnot. Okay, just to let you know. Now, let's say I don't want to use that one, so I'm going to use the dial to get something else. So I'm looking for something that's close to what I need. Bass and piano. So we got piano, we just need a bass. Oop, I messed up again. Okay, hold on. Move it again. Okay, this one here. Oh, there you go. Okay. Oh, I think I messed this one up yesterday. Trying to figure out how to do this. Okay, so we got a keyboard and we got a bass. So all we got to do is spread the range of the bass for all the keys on the lower octave and change this sound. Okay, so this is what we do. Press edit, and here we go. We got the voices. Okay, so the hard vintage, we want to change that to another piano sound. So we move the cursor up and down right here, and we're gonna get another keyboard sound. There you go. Okay, that's good. Now this sound, the piano, the bass, as you can see, is only here on these keys. Okay, so the range, we gotta make it larger, I guess. That would be the... Okay, let me press now page. Okay, there you go. Limit, and you can see the range on layer number 2. This is good, and the velocity is good, the volume, and this is the one that we got to work with right here. So I turn the dial, as you can see, there you go. Okay, so this is what I need. Okay, so now after you do this, all you have to do is just save it. Okay, but remember, you got 4 different sounds, so it's up to you. If you just need 2 sounds, you need 3, 4, just all you have to do, just select the sound that you need. Let me go back to page right here. This is for the range and the volume. Okay, volume, velocity limit, I believe. Yeah. This is the note limit, and that's about it. This one we're not using it, so I don't want to use this one. So let me put the velocity down. Okay, because I'm not going to use layer number 3. Okay, and that's it. That's all to it. All we got to do now is save it. Okay, so we're back on voice. If you want to add more, you got to go here on page and add another part here. You can see it says off. All you have to do is just turn the dial and it will give you another layer. Okay, go up here, see if I could 3, MIDI. Let me see if I can turn this one off. No. Okay, I don't understand how to turn it off. No problem, because I got it all the way down. The volume is down anyway. Okay, now to save it, only thing you have to do is just press what's the name of the button? The shift. Press shift, press utility, performance store user 005. Yes. Okay. To press enter to store. Enter is okay, right here. Enter is right here. It's blinking right here. Are you sure? Enter yes. One more time. Executing. Wait, and complete it. That's it. And you're done. That's it. That's all to it. Okay. So my recommendation is whatever you're looking for, try to look for the user bank that it assimilates of what you're looking for. Okay, so that way you have all the settings pretty much ready, and all you have to do is just a little bit of editing, and that's it. You're good to go. Okay, and that's about it for this video. I don't know too much about the Motif Rack ES because all I bought it is for some piano sounds that I like. I like the electric pianos. I like the grand pianos. And I don't use it as much since I have other workstations. I got a Korg, I got the Alices, I got Roland workstation, and they have, a whole bunch of sound, just the same as the Motif Rack. I just was looking for the sound of the Motif Rack, the electric pianos, and the grand pianos, and some of the acoustic guitar sounds. So I don't know too much because I don't edit as much. But if this video helps you, give it a like, and thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Any requests, let me know on the comments, and I'll see you guys then later. Thank you for watching. God bless.